Okay, so I'm heading to my home after I had to go to our garage where we park our truck to start up the truck and check up the truck because we were supposed to head for a job today, but it's unfortunate that we had a very extreme weather condition called blizzard, and it's a condition that blurs the way with extreme wind conditions, with stalled cars, with so much high risk of collisions and cars that are being stalled on the way because there is so much snow on the way. The wind brings a lot of snow on the way, making it impossible for smooth driving. I've clearly seen like about 2 to 3 cars that have been stalled on the way by the snow. They can't move, and I'll give you this advice for free. Having a good winter tire is oh yeah, okay, we made it. So having a good winter tire at this stage would save you. You know, when I mean a good winter tire will really save you. You know, because at this time, because it's just happening at the moment, there are no the city trucks to clear the way, to clear the snow, so it makes it absolutely impossible to navigate. You know what I mean? But we'll keep going. We keep going, hoping we get to our destination safely, because the wind eats so much and it's not allowing free ride. Oh, wonderful drive! All thanks to God. It was indeed a wonderful ride. And I'm grateful to God for Johnny Mercies. So that's it for the day. Hope you drive safe out there. Share, like, share.